Hello guys, today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of a gift. It's a mystery box. Me myself don't know what's in there. We got it as a gift from our auntie, so we're gonna open it.
It's good.
Ooh, it looks nice. I see a glimpse. What do you mean make people? This one pulling. Hold on. I gotta try to be careful. I don't want to.
This is gonna be the quickest video ever.
So, oh shit. What is this?
No.
Okay. Oh, look over the set there. I don't know where you come. Are you a mystery box?
Yes! I bought it.
That look cute. It's a car.
It's a plane. What looks like a car.
It's a car. What you think it is?
Cece's gonna fall off easily.
Oh, that's what you scared?
He said yes. Yeah. Everyone can see your beautiful car.
Alright, remove this. What's this, Cece? What's this? I don't even see no instruction. Oh, there you go, the packet, and we got some stickers.
I'm putting the stickers on because I'm a good sticker man.
Okay. Alright. So,
Stickers.
basically already it fixed up. This is a little back end.
So when Cece goes outside, she can drive.
What the? Let's go test it out, Cece. We're gonna go outside with it. We're gonna go outside
What
with
the?
it.
Wait, does it hurt?
We're gonna go outside with it. Let's go outside. So here is the toy. So cute. And it comes with some sticker. I put them on. And it's nice. This is a sticker that it have, and it have the instruction of what number to go where. Those are extra. Lizzie, you're scared of it? She's scared. Oh my goodness. Go with it, Cece. Touch it.
No.
Go on. Touch it. This is. Ooh.
Just gonna get used to it.
Yeah, look at it. Put it.
Pretty jive.
The only thing I think it should have a stand. Where is she gonna put her foot?
Put our feet on the hand.
Okay, let's put your foot up here on the wing.
Not gonna fall.
She's not gonna fall. She's just scared. Hold on. There you go.
What do you think it?
Woo! Oh, her foot in the way. Her foot in. Hey.
It's not driving.
Hey.
And now move.
Because her foot in the way. So it's a Mickey airplane. But you're gonna get used to it. Hey, go on the plane. Go on the plane. They don't want to see you.
Mike, can we do a video today?
About what?
About us just doing stuff in the house.
Okay. Jamar, go on your plane. Turn on the TV. Yeah, try to go on it when I'm not looking, right?
Yeah.
Whee! I would like the plane. Cece. Hello.
Hello, people. Welcome back to our channel, Nieceylocs. Today's video, we're gonna be just bored.